nothing. I don't have no. I don't do drugs. No, I don't have nothing, man.
You're under...
Norcross, Geórgia. Um homem da Geórgia enfrenta acusações de arrombamento e danos à propriedade depois que a polícia disse que ele invadiu um apartamento vazio e se escondeu dentro de uma geladeira desligada quando os policiais chegaram. A polícia foi acionada para o condomínio 1700 States Apartments, na Treehouse Parkway, em Norcross, depois que um vizinho relatou ter ouvido barulhos vindos do apartamento de baixo, que se acreditava estar vazio.
Guy, please show me your fucking hands right now. Manos arriba. Manos arriba. En este momento. Manos. Manos. I can see his hands. I got his hands. Manos. Manos en tu cabeza.
Bring your hands up. I don't have nothing. I don't have no. I don't do drugs. No, I don't have nothing, man.
You're under arrest.
Why?
You got those?
What? I just trying to get something to sort of sleep, man. It's cold outside.
We got somewhere for you to sleep.
Well, what I did though?
Actually.
Please, can you tell me? Like, I'm not from around here either.
You got this one?
I was scared, man. I'm not from Atlanta.
Hey, can you open this from that side?
I'm an ADHD and dyslexic, man.
You're what?
If it can't, then you're fine.
I'm dyslexic and ADHD and
Okay, cool.
all that.
We'll get you help.
Stand up.